Hey guys, so I decided to record this video in case any of you are struggling with the assignment I posted today, or if you're struggling with any of the assignments that are on Google Classroom so far. Today I posted an assignment, and you can see here on Google Classroom, it's under week 2 for online classes, so everything is organized so you can find anything you're missing or anything you're behind on. It's all posted right here and it's all labeled. So we have week 1 and then week 2, which just started. So you're going to click on reflexive verbs. I see some of you have already done it. Nice job, 5-6. And click on the instructions. Now I put everything you need in there, but if something's not clear, I'm going to explain it a little further, because I see that it was a little confusing. There's also a YouTube video here to help explain reflexive verbs. You guys have already done this stuff in class. It's nothing new. We're just practicing it. So, for the first one, I had to change it. It was a mistake on my part that I put dolerse here, and it should be lastimarse, which means to hurt myself. So if I want to conjugate that for I, you're going to drop everything in yellow here and add a preterite ending, your past tense endings. So if it helps, I'm going to put, let's see, your past tense endings on the screen right here. And then I also need, as you can see here in the blue, your subject pronouns. It's a reflexive verb, so I'm doing the action to myself. Okay, so if I hurt myself, I'm going to look at my chart here for I. I'm going to use me as my subject pronoun and a as my ending. So I would type the verb here, me lastime, and that's all you need for the first one. Okay? For the second one, you do need to translate the whole sentence into Spanish. I've had some people use my example from up top here and put los manos. That was for the example. It's not for everything, so don't do that. I need to conjugate for number 2, cortarse, for Miguel. So if Miguel cut his finger, I'm going to look at my chart. Miguel is the same as el. Look at my subject pronouns and my endings. So it should be Miguel se, and then I'm going to use cortar, but I need to change that ending in yellow to o, and then finger in Spanish, dedo. So I'm going to put su dedo. Miguel se cortó su dedo. Alright? So you're going to go through each exercise on here, and all you're doing is conjugating these verbs that I put on the side, and then making sure you add that subject pronoun in front. I've already given you the verb you have to use, so you don't have to guess at that. The only part that may be a little tricky is translating this sentence from English to Spanish. If you need help with that, that part you can Google, but it's also on your notes that I posted in Google Classroom. So going back, if you look at Google Classroom, go under classwork, scroll down past the week 2 and week 1, you'll see it under Capítulo 4.2. All your notes I posted right here. The body parts, the Quizlet, and the answers for your 4.2 notes. So you shouldn't have to Google anything. And then some of those words you should already know, because there's nothing new that I've put here. But if you need help, always comment on the side of your document. I get notifications, I can see it, and I'll be able to help you out. If you guys need anything, please let me know. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, but I do need the work completed from you guys. Alright, so any questions, just email, comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck. Bye.